This is Swoop, and this is Real Talk, Real Solutions. I wanted to talk about drug addict parents and whether drug addict parents should be allowed to keep custody of their kids. Now, you hear the stories every day about crackhead mothers leaving their babies on the side of the road. You hear stories about crackhead mothers selling their babies for crack. I heard a story the other day about a woman that put her baby in a microwave. She got high and she put the baby in a microwave and cut it on, and the baby died. I mean, you hear about this all the time. And I kind of wonder, why hasn't there been some laws created to stop a lot of these drug addicts from having kids? I believe any person that's a drug addict, they should not be allowed to have kids. And they should not be allowed to keep custody of their kids. There's no excuses for any person to be doing drugs while they're pregnant. There is no excuses for anybody to be smoking crack while they're pregnant, or to be doing this around their kids on top of it. So it's like, there needs to be laws passed to stop this from going on. There needs to be laws created to stop crackheads from having kids. No child deserves to be raised in a household where she's watching her mother smoke crack every day. No child deserves to be raised in a household where she's watching her mother shoot up heroin every day. A lot of people have different opinions on this topic. I would like for any person watching this video to leave a comment and tell me your solution to stopping this problem. A lot of people have different solutions in order to stop this problem. There's a woman in New York that she pays any person that's a drug addict, she pays them $200 to get their tubes dyed. She pays them the $200 so they can stop having kids. Because there's a lot of these drug addict women that are just having baby after baby after baby, and they're not caring about the welfare of these children. They're not caring about whether or not these kids live or die. All they care about doing is getting high. All they care about doing is hitting that pipe. That's why it's not fair for these kids to be raised in this type of household. It's not fair for these kids to be raised in this type of environment. That's why this needs to change and this needs to stop. Leave a comment, rate, and subscribe.